the problem of the disc. The officers mishandled pushing needles. So yes, there were 3 discs that were affected.
Yeah, we have sent someone to the ambulance.
Yeah.
To give us a call.
Yes,
so that I can transport him to the hospital.
That's all right.
These are the doctors.
Excuse me, there are lots of things. Excuse me, but there's excuse me.
Officer.
But it's being attended to by a doctor. No. You must allow the doctors to do their work. Yeah. Allow the doctors to do their work. He has a right. Allow the doctors to do their work. But we are his lawyers. We are here as counsel.
It's okay, Wakili. But what's the matter on exam?
Yeah.
You don't know the extent of the injury.
And he had plates.
The officers are the ones who are in the past.
Yeah, they are the ones who are interfering. And you cannot prevent the doctors from doing their emergency. No, the doctors will advise.
With our spine.
Yeah.
That's fine. We got surgery in 2020.
Yes.
If we move him,
with the spine, you don't move.
We have got something to carry, and
when we examine
yes,
the extent of the damage first. No, but it should not be moved.
But you cannot move him, kienyeji.
What when we examine?
He's being examined. Hatuwezi, sisi ni wakili. Mimi kwanza niko hapa in the capacity of counsel, and all of these are wakilis. Mimi siwezi toka. Nitatoka aje na sisi ni mawakili wake? He has a right to representation. He has a right to representation. Which officer is saying that he should not be given medication? Hawezi shikwa na askari. No, he needs medication.
Yes. You can. Yes, do that. Do that.
He was in a lot of pain. You give him some painkiller.
Did you get the deposit of 50,000?
He can only be lifted pursuant the doctor's advice.
So they need to manage his pain.
Yes.
I hope that's for the pain. Daktari.
He has a spinal injury. He has a spinal injury.
Nini mnahitaji? They need a stretcher.
Yeah. But how are we going to manage it without a stretcher? Yeah, on a stretcher. Yeah. Madam, we are dealing. Hiyo maneno ingine ya kesi itafanyika tu. Itafanyika. Na hakuna mahali anatoroka aende. It's an emergency. I think the, okay. Yeah.